Waking up to a waterlogged living room? Mold discovered at your home? We are here for you. Over here at Ease Restoration, we know emergencies don't wait. That's why we're available 24/7 to handle your emergency with speed and care. Water damage, fire, smoke, odor, mold removal, and hazard cleanups are our specialty. Our team will arrive fast to assess, extract, and restore your property. Serving Casper, Wyoming. And here's the best part. We're offering 20% off on property rebuilding services. You can trust us to restore your home to its former glory, or even better. Call us now at 307-462-3500. Save your home, save your sanity, and save 20%. Remember, when disaster strikes, we're one call away, anytime, day or night. That's 307-462-3500. Don't wait. Let us put your mind at ease. Let us put your mind